Okay, so let's get into some coding. So we are going to start off with the print statement, which is typically the first step in many programming languages. So when you want to print an output to the display, we use the print statement. Now, either you want to print a message to the user or to yourself because you're debugging. So it's simply the command print, then in parentheses the string or the message that you want to display. Now you can just contain it in single quotes or double quotes, both would work. So let me just show you. So you see, both would work. It doesn't matter if it's single quotes or double quotes. So another thing that you might need to do from time to time is to actually ask for information from the user when you're running a program. So we do that by using the input function. Like we pass a message that, hey, please enter your age, and whatever is passed back by the user whenever they type into the screen will then be put into that age variable, and so it will be stored in the variable age, and later on we can then print that age out onto the screen or use it in our code as we need to. So if I show you how it works, it would be something like this. Now it asks for my age, so let's enter 5, and then it prints my age because that's what I have done in the code. So first it takes the value from the user, so my value is 5, so the value of age was stored as 5, and then I said print age, so whatever value would be there in the age variable would be printed. So the value was taken as 5, so 5 was printed. Now the print statement could help with a bunch of other things, one of which would be enhancing readability. So it might happen that your code gets clustered, and at that point you may need to print blank lines to improve the readability of your code. And the next one would be that print statements could also help with debugging. Now it might happen that your code has a bunch of things going on, and debugging at that point could be a nightmare. So what you can do is, after every function or operation or wherever you feel there could be error, you can just add a print statement to check if the error is at that point or where exactly the error is. So if I show it to you right now, so starting from the top, first of all we have asked for a message started, hence we have started. Next we have done an operation which gives some value to x, hence we have got 40, and then we have asked for another message which is done, hence we have done. Now we have an error, which means that the error is coming from somewhere over here, and this is how you can use print statements for debugging.